Synthetic Phonics is a program to teach children to read and write in Great Britain. It's also a program used widely all over the world to teach children to understand and to speak English. English is a very complicated language. It has more sounds than letters. Therefore, we must teach children the correspondence between letters and sounds, phonemes and graphemes. With Jolly Phonics, which is widely used all over the world, we teach children the sounds within story, with a movement, vocabulary and a song. Therefore, it's a multisensory program that is very attractive to young learners. We start teaching sounds like s, a, t, I, b, n. This makes children independent for reading sounds. So when we tell the children, oh look, there is a tennis match and the ball, when you watch a tennis match, it goes t, t, t. What is this sound? And the children will say t. This one will be b. This one will be I. This makes very easy for children to remember the sounds before they're able to read words. For reading, we need the skill that's called blending. You can't expect the young children to just read pan because we've got a picture of a pan, or sit because we can see someone sitting. No, reading means decoding. They must say the sounds one by one, blending. B, a, n. Then let's say quickly, children, pan, 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 pan. They learn to listen to the word, so therefore they're able to read it. Later on, comprehension happens when they read books where they have pictures, so children are able to read slug and comprehend the meaning of each word. Russian children can read the word moth, even though the sound it doesn't exist in Russian. It helps children to understand how English works. After few sounds with one letter correspondence, we also teach digraphs, 2 letters, 1 sound. So children learn A for pain, rain, J, O, I, E, or, and so on. That will allow children to read words like rain, R, A, N, rain, and also jug, tree, etc. This is reading. We also develop the skill of writing through hearing sounds. Children need to hear the sounds within a word. So we might say to children, could you segment the word? For example, the word die, and children say die, d-I, die. They hear 2 sounds and then they're able to read it, d-I. After word level, we teach children tricky words like I, the, he, she. There are words that we need to build a sentence and to read within a sentence. These words don't follow the rule that we've taught so far, but they have to learn that they can actually read part of that word. That will enable the children to read 18 red books. Jolly Readers Level 1. Some of the books are complex. For example, this is Mode Farm, and Farmer Green lives on Mode Farm. Ben and Neb are sheepdogs. These books are just available for children from the age of 5. 4 or 5 can read those books. Jolly Phonics is widely used, as I said, all over the world, especially in Western Europe, all over Great Britain, and here in Russia, many private schools and state schools are using it. They are trialing Jolly Phonics in different parts of the Russian area because it is recommended by the Education Minister, Mr. Nick Gibb, recommends synthetic phonics as the best way to teaching children to read and write, and to really implement this in infant and secondary education. Sir Jim Rose, Secretary Advisor for Education, also says, and I'm quoting him, "The most direct route to teaching children reading and writing is synthetic phonics. This will enable children to read independently and to also write independently through sounds."